So here we are for the final review of the Lancia Delta Integrale Evoluzione, the Hasegawa kit, and I must say I'm pretty pleased with the final look of the kit because I wasn't very enthusiastic at the beginning, and that might have been noticed in the unboxing. The parts had lots of flash, and especially the body was, I don't know, it looked a bit rough compared with the Tamiya kit. But with a little bit of work, you can achieve a pretty nice result with this kit. Mainly because it has very good proportions and very good detail, and I don't know, it looks refined in the end, despite that rough look when you open the box. In the end it looks pretty refined, much as a Tamiya kit. So I'm pleased with the kit. On to some details of the assembly. I must say I didn't have any problem with it. Maybe except fitting the body in the chassis. The body, it's a bit tight, so you have to twist it a lot, not a bit, but a lot, especially here in the rear wheels and here at the front bumper. You need really to push hard for it to fit into the chassis. But the rest, I must say, fit is perfect. Normally the tail lights, even the front lights, could be a problem, but they were perfect. The fitting didn't cause me any issues. So for the color, I told you I was going to paint it yellow, and I can't see it. I mean, I can, of course I can, but I don't like to see it in another color. I think this is the perfect color for this car. And I told you that I was going to paint the rims in black, but honestly it would hide a lot of the design, and I really like the design of these rims, so I decided to go to a dark metallic grey or gunmetal, whatever you wanna call it, and I think it looks pretty good. You have the dark rims that I like, and also you can see the entire design of the wheel. Another thing, I also decided to leave the wing on the open position because it gives the car a little more racy look instead of the lower wing. I prefer the car this way. I didn't immediately see how it would go. I thought that it would go on these two supports here like that, but not. They fit a little bit ahead. That's why at the beginning I thought that the wing had a weird angle because it was more than 90 degrees compared to the rest of the body. More things. Painting the chrome here at the front wasn't that easy because of all the masking you must have, and you also have the texture here replicating the mesh of the grille, so it was a bit hard to attach the masking tape there. Also, I used AK Interactive's Extreme Metal Colors Chrome, and to be honest, so far I'm not a big fan. You have that chrome silver look, but not exactly the chrome finish that you would expect. But maybe it was my mistake, because I used a gloss black base and it didn't turn out as smooth as I was expecting, so that will influence the chrome finish in the end. Another, well, it's nice, this little tiny detail here, the side blinker, because in Tamiya kits usually this is molded into the body, and in this case it's a separate clear part, and honestly it's almost imperceptible, but you know it's there, and I like this kind of details. So, resuming, pretty easy kit to build, lots of work, sanding work here in the body, but it will pay off in the end, because the kit really looks good. I'm not talking about my work here, if it is well painted or not, nothing like that. The kit itself, the proportions are perfect, the kit looks very nice, and the assembly is very good. You have a very easy kit to build with a pretty good quality, as I might say, and I'm happy with it. So this one will go to the shelf, and I'm going to start a new project, another big project, so expect news soon. Until then, take care guys, and see you later.